This mansion just sold for $4.9 million, the most expensive home sale in Detroit's history. It has a secret prohibition bar with the original vault from 1926, and it was built for the family that made car bodies for General Motors. I'm about to show you why. Someone will pay $7 million for this place. Let's go. This is the Fisher Mansion. 24,000 square feet, 15 bedrooms, built in 1926 for Alfred J. Fisher. Who's Alfred Fisher? One of 7 brothers that founded Fisher Body Company, the largest auto body manufacturer in the world. They supplied car bodies to GM, Ford, and everyone else. In 1919, General Motors purchased 60% of their company because they were that important. The Fisher Body brothers became some of the wealthiest men in America, and Alfred built this mansion to prove it. In 2022, this mansion sold for $4.9 million. Detroit's most expensive home sale ever. The new owners spent $3 million renovating it. Now it's back on the market for $7 million. Let me show you what $7 million gets you in Detroit today. The moment you walk in, you realize this isn't just a home, it's a statement. Handcrafted woodwork everywhere, stained glass, soaring ceilings. This is one of the grand ballrooms. This one room is bigger than most people's homes. Imagine the parties in 1926 here. Detroit's automotive elite celebrating an empire. Mahogany paneled dining room where business deals over millions were done over dinner here. It even has an indoor pool in the basement. 15 bedrooms. I'm not showing you all of them because you just fall asleep. But trust me, they're insane. But here's my favorite part of the entire mansion. Remember, this mansion was built in 1926, right in the middle of the Prohibition period. Alcohol was illegal then. Alfred Fisher did what any wealthy automotive baron would do. He built a secret bar in his basement. And this is the original vault where he stored illegal liquor during the Prohibition. This isn't a replica. This isn't a restoration. This is the actual vault from 1926. While the rest of America was dealing with Prohibition, the Fisher family was down in the basement having cocktails. Can you imagine the stories this room has seen? The deals that were made, and the secrets kept. This is really, truly a living history. All right, let's talk numbers. $7 million, 24,000 square feet. That's $292 per square foot. For a mansion with 15 bedrooms, an indoor pool, a prohibition bar, and also nearly 5 acres. In Los Angeles, $7 million gets you a nice 4-bedroom home. In New York, you're looking at a luxury condo. In San Francisco, you're lucky to get a 3,000 square foot house. Here, you get 24,000 square feet of history, built by the family that created the automotive industry. But here's what makes this even more interesting. This mansion sold for $1.5 million in 2015, $4.9 million in 2022. Now it's listed for $7 million. Someone that understands Detroit's comeback is about to make a very smart investment. The Fisher Mansion isn't just real estate. It's a piece of the story that built America. 7 brothers from Ohio that came to Detroit with a dream and created an empire that changed the world. This mansion is their legacy. If you're ready to explore Detroit's luxury real estate market, whether it's a $7 million mansion or something more accessible, my contact information is in the description below. So, what do you think? Is this mansion really worth $7 million? Let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.